Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today it's really hot and humid here in the Philippines. And I decided to stay at home and build some Gunpla. And beside me is a Mecha model kit. This is not a Gundam. This is a GunBuster from the anime, which was created by Studio Gainax from Japan and aired during 1988 till 1989, something like that. So I'm not yet born those years, and to be honest, this kit is one of the nice mecha anime I saw last year actually. To be honest, I did not watch any single episode of this, only some clippings from the anime, which is very nice. It's very nice, and it's like a super robot genre with a twist of a real robot design, something like that. But the powers of this robot are, of course, like the super robot. It's like a mixed genre of real and super robot genre. So I have here GunBuster, which is nowadays rare to find from Aoshima. So this is from Aoshima, and I bought this from my hobby store, Malaysia. So this is from Malaysia. I bought for about 260 Malaysian ringgit. But of course, I didn't went to Malaysia. I bought this through Shopee Ph, where the store is from Malaysia. So thank you very much, seller, my Gunpla hobby store, Malaysia, for selling this to me. And obviously, this is not open yet. So this is wrapped in the plastic film here, and it's still new. So guys, let's check this GunBuster here and let's see what's inside of this kit. So this is the box of GunBuster, which is made by Aoshima ACKS, or the Aoshima Character Kit Selection. And there's this Gainax sticker here, which is the studio that one of the studio that produced this GunBuster anime. And there's this sticker here, meaning this is a licensed and approved kit from that studio. And you can see here a GunBuster logo here, and the face of this GunBuster looks very sinister looking. And if I don't know GunBuster, I might think that this is a Zaku or any villainous mecha character. But to be honest, he looks more villain to me than a protagonist character. So you can see here a 1/1000 scale kit. So GunBuster is really big. If you watch the anime, GunBuster is I can consider one of the biggest mecha character being published. I don't know if there are more bigger than GunBuster. What I learned that is there are big mecha characters like Gurren Lagann, which are the size of a universe, something like that, which is very ridiculous. Anyway, there's this tag price here from my Gunpla hobby store from Malaysia, which is 260 Malaysian ringgit. So with the size of the box, we can see some instructions here, or caution instruction, which is very nice to see in Aoshima kits. And there's this GunBuster logo here. To be honest, I like Aoshima kits nowadays because the kits are very straightforward and easy to build, and at the same time very beautiful. I really like Aoshima. Thank you, Aoshima. And there we have here the front view, rear view of GunBuster, and the side view of the kit, and the pose for this. I forgot what it's called. This technique is called, but this is where the GunBuster launches all of these rods from his extremities, and then there are the rods that came out to his extremities. Okay, so now let's open the box and let's see what's inside, and there it goes. So most plastic here are all black plastic because GunBuster is a black mecha model or mecha character. So we have here mostly black colored runners here. These are the hands of GunBuster, so it's quite huge. So it has a big hands here. So these are all black plastic. Until here we have the red and the orange plastics here. So at least there's this different colored plastic. There, all are black. All are black. And we have here yellow colored piece here for the crest on his head. And there we have this black plastics again. And there, these are the rods that will come out of his extremities, which is very nice, and it looks really badass. So there we have here already the sludge piece here from this runner. This is kit. This kit is you call this sticker heavy also. So we have here color correcting orange stickers, which is, I don't know if I can apply this nicely because I don't like stickers with this cuts there, because I'm not good when applying this due to the fact that it will crumple when I apply this. I'm not that good in applying stickers. And we have here polycaps for this kit. So let's check the instruction manual here. So we have same like the box art picture, and then there we have black and white printout here, and then there's this instruction from Aoshima, which is very nice. So there you can see how GunBuster is being assembled, and there it's very interesting. And then there we can see the rods being applied out of his extremities, which is the main feature and weapon for this kit, because as far as I know, GunBuster has an axe and a baseball bat, but I bought the kit without those baseball bat and axe. So it has only these rods coming out from his extremities. So there we can see the sample of complete kit here. So this is how the kit will look like after we finish building it, and the color guidelines or the sticker guidelines here. So let's build this kit and let's see what's inside. So let's have a quick runner review before we build this kit. And to be honest, there are already dislodged part out of the runners here, so I don't know which runners these kits are belong to. Anyway, we have here runner C here for the armor pieces, which is all black, and we have here runner K for the inner frame parts, another I think runner K again, so we have two sets of runner K for the inner frames. We have runner K again, so we have 3 runner K, and not just 3 but it's 4, so we have 4 runner K here in this kit. It's my first time to see a kit with 4 same runners, and I only saw this here in GunBuster. We have here runner E, 2 sets of runner E for I think these are for the joint parts. We have polycaps, 2 sets of polycaps, black polycaps. We have 2 sets of runner B for the feet, so these are feet parts. And we have here runner D and runner L, and finally we have this one, lighter gray colored runner for runner F. There's this small axe and this baseball bat here that will be placed on the shoulder. Very nice. And then we have here runner A and another runner A, so we have 2 sets of runner A for this kit. And finally we have these colored runners here. We have runner H and runner G, so orange and red colored runners. And I didn't open these rods or this weapon of Aoshima or Aoshima GunBuster because it will mess on my table and it will cause confusion on my part. And I didn't open yet this hand pieces here, but these are runner M, so I didn't open it yet to avoid confusion. Also, we have here runner I for the visor, for the I think V-fin, something like that. And we have here runner J, the small runner here for the eyes of GunBuster. And last but not the least, let's not forget there are color correcting stickers here, foil stickers for the orange pieces here. So again, let's build this kit once and for all, and let's see what or how this GunBuster will look like in our collection. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless and take care, and happy building. And I know you're looking at these books beside me because aside from a Gunpla builder, I'm a book lover also. I have here The Mastery from Robert Greene and The Art of Living from Epictetus. Okay, see you next time.